A time signature consists of two numbers. The top number tells us how many beats are in each bar, and the bottom number tells us what kind of note value is assigned one beat. In this video, we are looking specifically at simple time signatures. The top number we find in simple time signatures can be a 2, 3, or 4. The time signatures with 2 on the top are called duple time signatures. Those with a 3 on top are called triple time signatures, and those with a 4 on top are called quadruple time signatures. The bottom numbers we find in our simple time signatures could be a 2, 4, or 8. 2 refers to a minim, which is also called a half note. A 4 refers to a crotchet or quarter note, and an 8 refers to a quaver or eighth note. As you can see from this table, the top number of each time signature indicates how many beats are in each bar, while the bottom number indicates what type of note value is used. Two time signatures that need a special mention are common time and split common time. Common time is the same as 4/4 time and contains 4 crotchet beats in a bar, while split common time is the same as 2/2 time and contains 2 minim beats in a bar. If we were asked to identify the time signature of a passage, we would begin by grouping notes together to count how many beats we have in the bar. In this example, we could add these 2 quavers together to give us 1 crotchet beat. The crotchet in between them could be transferred down to give us another crotchet beat. This group of a quaver and 2 semiquavers can be added together to form another crotchet beat. Then the following crotchet can be transferred down to give us 1 more crotchet beat. The following note is a dotted crotchet, but here we would split this into a single crotchet and transfer it down and add it to our total number of beats. And then we would join the dot and the following quaver together to give us our final crotchet beat. Now that we have added our notes into groups of the same note value, we need to ask ourselves which numbers we would include in our time signature. Remember that the bottom note could be a 2, a 4, or an 8. If I were to use 2 as my bottom number, I would ask how many minim beats are in this bar, and the answer would be 3. We can easily see from our working out that if I used 4 as my bottom number, I would ask how many crotchet beats are in the bar, and I would get 6. And finally, if I were to use 8 as our bottom number and counted this bar in quavers, we would have 12 quaver beats in this bar. If you think back to the simple time signature table we constructed at the beginning of this video, you will recall that the simple time signatures can be duple, triple, or quadruple. By considering all of these factors, we can see that 3/2 is the simple time signature that fits this bar. Practice identifying simple time signatures in your accompanying workbook.